Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome to Anlex TV, where flavor Nice and fluffy. I'm basting it with butter. And just look how gorgeous these look. Mind you, you can break these in half so that they are more the traditional biscuit shape, but they were just for us in the house. So I left them as is. They were a little irregular shaped, rectangular, but that is okay. See where it's like a perforated kind of line, you can break it and then it'll be more a traditional shape. But y'all, these were so fluffy. This was one of the best biscuits I've had, other than Red Lobster's Cheddar Bay biscuits. That's my favorite biscuit in the whole world, okay? But these were so good. They were buttery, soft, crispy on the outside, nice and soft on the inside. I just couldn't get enough. And then with some jam, some strawberry jam. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So good. Perfect pairing with the Popeyes fried chicken. You hear what I'm saying? All right, guys, let me know down in the comments how you like to do your biscuits. Would you follow this biscuit recipe? Let me know, okay? Yum, yum, yum. And stay tuned. Wednesday, I'll be posting the mashed potatoes and gravy recipe that I made as another side to go with our Popeyes fried chicken. Thank you guys for tuning in. God bless you guys. I pray that you all have been doing absolutely well and having a blessed weekend. Pray for you all and peace.